Welcome. On this channel, I do unscripted, unedited videos about Linux programming and stuff. I have been working on a toy game of sorts. There's more information in the show description. Currently, I've been working through a process of just kind of refactoring a Q module with Claude, and I'm going to continue to that today. So let's take a look. I have the stuff we're working through here in this to-do was generated by Claude. It's a little list of things that I wanted to it's a list of recommendations for improving the module. So it's got two suggestions here, one for on destroy, drain all the messages. In queue destroy, consider draining remaining messages. Add a callback option for proper cleanup. I actually don't even know for sure what it's suggesting there. It'd be interesting to, or maybe we'll get it to generate it just so that I can see it. So we're in auto accept edits. So we're going to say, don't make any code changes, but propose a mechanism for queue destroy that would train any remaining messages don't make any code changes, but propose a mechanism for queue destroy that would drain any remaining messages using a callback option for proper cleanup. So I think it's saying that I want to see it. I don't quite follow the callback mechanism that it's suggesting. Is that forcing the producer to have a callback mechanism for the message? So optional callback cleanup function can be null for no cleanup. User data parameter allows context to be passed to the cleanup function. User data parameter allows context to be passed to the cleanup function. Thread safe draining uses existing non-blocking backward compatible. Keep existing queue destroy as a wrapper. Free message cleanup. Queue destroy with cleanup. I think that we never intend to destroy. Do we intend to? I think we do, because no, I'm waffling back and forth. So the queue is getting the messages coming in off of the network shoved onto it. What happens when we ask to shut down? We do a Control-C and we ask to shut down the server. Does it process all of those messages, or does it throw them away? Does it really matter either way if it's just going to shut down? Certainly, I think that we want to not interrupt ourselves in the middle of processing a message, so it's probably best to either do the destroy with cleanup,
Okay, let's verify that git status.
So this is going to be an experiment. I want to see where this goes. So, suggest the changes required to test Q test. Suggested changes to support Q destroy with cleanup. I mean, obviously, it already told us that it's optional, that the old function would still exist, so it's we don't need to change anything. But let's have it prove that. Let's have it show us. Maybe that would be the best way for me to understand it better is just to get it to generate some good tests for Q destroy with cleanup. These tests cover test Q destroy with cleanup thread safety. Let's do it. Apply the suggested changes and verify all tests pass. I'm down a rabbit hole because I'm adding functionality I don't know that I need, but I suspect that I need. I probably should wait until I know that I need it. But I am still in that early just playing with Claude phase, so hard to say. I mean, I need to switch back to Opus. I, in the end, did decide to go with the 20x account instead of just using Sonnet. Although Sonnet seems to be doing it. I'm a little curious what the spend would look like if you were just doing, pay by the token. All tests pass, including the new. Let me fix the compiler warnings. What compiler warnings? What did it do? How did it fix the compiler warnings? It didn't change anything in the make file. All 24 continue to pass. 6 new tests. No compiler warnings. What compiler? What? Hopefully this doesn't cause it to go rerun everything just to find that out. It will. No. Okay. Warning, comparison of integer. Oh, okay, so fine. So all the tests pass. So prepare a commit message for the current change set. Of course, my token spend wouldn't be so high if I just did the things like this. But I kind of like the quality of the commit messages you get. Damn it, it's doing it again. When creating commit messages, use a single line co-authored by or authored by attribution for Claude. Adds a queue destroyer with cleanup function to provide optional. Yeah. Yes. Oh, I'm deep into this video 57 branch, but we're well past that. I haven't been keeping up with those. Okay. So that's kind of a bogus mistake. We'll get these merged, then I will keep up with them for future videos. So let's just so we should be on main. Yeah. Guess I probably should have done that part first. Make sure it's all there. So we are currently in video 60, but let's take a look here. Vim to do. So we just did that. Timeout based operations. Add queue pop timeout and add queue add timeout prevents indefinite blocking with configurable timeouts. I'm going to go a different route with that. They can just be defined in the header file. I don't actually need them to be configurable. Propose a change that would add what are the two values? It's pop timeout and add timeout. Queue that would add queue pop timeout and queue pop or add timeout values to source queue H. and update the Q pop and Q add functions to so just a proposal for the change.